All right, today it is Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. um, so the car is all nice and cleaned up from the inside. I think it could probably use another pass on the driver's seat, but other than that, the floor mats on my FG2, the two-door, fit into this car. Even the rear ones. That's sick. But the car is pretty cleaned up. Oh, I did not notice all this here, but I'll have to clean all this up still. Um, yeah, I removed this dash from my old Civic because this one's a little lifted up from here. It could just be a clip, the retainer clip that might just be off. I don't know, we'll see. But everything is shifted from here, and they had tape here. Everything shifted here. This one's kind of bounced off. You can tell there's kind of like a crumble here from the accident that this had. I think they hit a curb. But from the other Civic, somebody wants to buy my headliner, so I removed the headliner for them. Sell that. And I got all these other parts. I got the upper control arms. I have the whole brake calipers. I took off the master. I took off the rotors. Took off the glove box here. The visors, because the visors need to be replaced as well. Visor's broken. That one is shattered. Bam. So we have the visor replacements there. Today what we're going to do is we're going to remove this headliner, get this headliner going, and try to see if we could fix the moonroof or the sunroof. This thing right here, because it does not slide back. I was looking at mine yesterday. I don't think it would fit, just because the sedan's a little bit longer. But I don't know. Maybe it could be the same. Who knows? So what I want to do right now is I want to remove these rotors and the brakes, because these pads are brand new. I just replaced them. The rotors have been on that Civic for a minute, but they're drilled and slotted. So we're gonna replace those original ones with the drilled and slotted. And then I do have lifetime warranty on the front ones, just not for these pads, but AutoZone don't need to know that. So I'm gonna take those off, and then we'll take that to AutoZone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint these calipers yellow, so I can match with the blue. I think it's gonna pop. It's gonna give it a nice little pop, because my theme's always been black and red, but we're gonna do things a little bit different with this car now. This car's gonna stay blue. I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna paint it again. My next door neighbor is a painter, and he's my buddy actually, and he's also in the car community. So we're gonna sand this down. We're gonna paint this to Fiji blue again, and this is where the real kicker is at. We're gonna add pearl tint to it, so it gives it a darker blue. But before we put the tint to it, I said pearl, I meant candy. We're gonna put candy tint on here. So before we put the candy tint on here, we're gonna sprinkle silver flakes. That's just gonna look dope. And then we're gonna spray the candy on there, and that's gonna give it a nice darker blue. So it's still gonna be the Fiji blue, but it's gonna be a darker coat with silver flakes. And I think that's gonna make it pop, most definitely. The rear, I'm gonna keep it the same. I am gonna put the Mugen wing, obviously rep. The front, what I do want to do is the Type R conversion. I do want to do the headlights, the Type R front bumper, and you would have to do the fenders and the hood. But they ain't cheap. They're fucking stupid expensive. So I don't know. We might just stay like this for a fat minute. Yeah, I don't know. We will see. But 100% this fender has to be replaced. It is broken right in here. This hood has to be replaced because there's dents right there. This bumper has to be replaced because it's broken. Legit, the only thing holding it is a bolt and a zip tie. We're gonna have to put a screw through this bitch for now. We're gonna remove these stickers. I didn't bring my heat gun. I need to go get a razor. I am gonna make a trip to work. Yeah, these taillights, I love these taillights. So I'm gonna keep these taillights. I already polished them up. Took off the paint on here because it has paint splattered all over the car. And yeah, I restored them pretty dang good. They look phenomenal. I did the front headlights. The driver came out fantastic, but the passenger is a little burnt from the inside. So we're gonna have to get new headlights regardless. I've always liked the little skinny ones. I'm not too sure if I want to do that though. I like it like this. This one was broken. I'm glad they replaced it. Thank you, Daisy, if you're watching. She's the one that sold me the car. So yeah, I kind of want to throw my wheels on here. Undecisive of just both the fronts or just one side. Because the one side will make it look dope, but both of the fronts will make it look even. If you know what I mean. This shit's loose, so it looks like it's just missing a bolt. Nice, sweet. So we got a lot of work on our hands, and I still need to register it. I still need to insurance it. But I love it. Oh, it's making some noises because it's loose. So we'll tighten that sucker up there. What did you guys do back here? Put a freaking bottle of water cap? That's too funny. We will bring you back to life, baby girl. We're already there. Just a couple of things. And we do have some Christmas lights up here. So I pulled out the wheel speed sensors for the VSA. The airbag. I think some airbags deployed will just cover that light or something. I'll take off that dash and I'll cover that light. That's what I did with the other Civic. I'm gonna have to take all this sticky shit off. Yeah, see, like the whole car shifted over. Huh. Yeah. This is all loose. Yeah. I'm gonna change the to a short shifter. I already tuned it with Honda. I'm running a manifold map pressure sensor. Look, there's my buddy right there. Oh, that's his dad. He freaking looks like him. Anyways, so it's nice and warm in here. It is freaking cold outside. It is 48 degrees outside. Yeah, it ain't no joke. I got so many things to do. All right, well, let's get started. All right, so change of plans. I can't freaking get these wheel studs off or the lug nuts. They don't fit any of my freaking tools. Even this one. This is the one to get out my lug nut. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just have to go to the tire shop and find the right tool for that, because it is not budging. I do not have the right size. It is either too big or too small. I guess we'll just start on the interior. Alright, so there's the old piece. I got the harness for the airbag for this one here because I couldn't get the other one on, so I just chopped it off. So there I have that there. Hopefully with this there, hopefully everything gets aligned. We will see. Heck yeah, and there it is, nice and lined up. Perfect. I just got to remove the tape from the other one. I'll probably use some alcohol get that off. Right here too. This is my old one. Can't believe I'm missing the little vent as well. I could have sworn I had it. I think I was trying to pull this off and this came off and I was like, I'll fix that later. I think. I can't believe I didn't fix it. I don't know. But I do have the old one, which is over there. And then that vent does have one. Where to go? I don't know. But it is here somewhere. In this mess of parts. Yeah. Somewhere. So I'll take it off of that one. And oh, look, here it is. No, this is not it. This is the one that was damaged too. It's here somewhere. I'll find it. And I'll fix that one. And I took off the radio and everything because I'm going to just slap in my Android radio. And they already bypassed the amp and everything. Sweet. And I think this connector might fit mine as well. Not too sure about that. But I will just pluck, solder. And put on. That's number one right there. I took off the dash and everything. I think I'm going to open up the dash. So that way I could cover up that light bag light. Yeah. I forgot how I did it. I think I have to pull, the little white tabs open. Then I'll be able to reach it. And I think I need to open this one up. And then I'll be able to remove the face. Yeah. I got to do some shit to it. Sweet. Or I could just grab mine that I have at work and slap it on. But I like how this display looks. This display actually looks a little bit different from the bottom LED. I don't know. It just looks more crisper. If I could compare them, you could see them. But I have no idea what the fuck that fan is at. It's here somewhere. For sure it's here somewhere. Or maybe it's that one. I don't think I brought the other one. So I think it's that one. That's probably why I can't find it. So we'll just wait till we get back to work and we'll get another one and we'll fix that. Sweet. Alright, so let's put the glove box back together because we're done with that. And then we'll move on that way. Shit, yeah. Alright, and I've been everywhere today. I got the face off here. We're going to open this up. And there's the airbag light right there. So we'll just cover up this little spot right there and put some black tape. I got the dash pretty much set it out already, cleaned everything up. I removed any electrical wiring that they have here, and now I'm doing this so I could install this back into place. I'm gonna install the radio. This is all extra stuff that I have, and heck yeah, it's coming together. I love it. Alright, so I got a lot done today. I got the radio in there. This is my old radio. My old dash up there. This is my old dash. This whole piece right here is from the old vehicle. I'm thinking of replacing this one as well. Yeah, everything is from the old vehicle. These visors are from the old vehicle. The shift knob, the e-brake. Yes, the lights. I replaced the rear view mirror. Yeah, it is coming along most definitely. I tried to take out as much as the white paint that I had. You could tell I wiped it all with acetone. Hopefully those wipes come off. If not, regardless, it's gonna get new paint. Put a new Honda emblem. I replaced the Honda emblem on the steering wheel. I was gonna replace the airbag, but fuck it, just replace the emblem there. And it is looking fantastic. I put my engine throttle commander type deal. Yeah, it is most definitely coming together. I think that will do it for tonight. Happy Thanksgiving. It is late already. I'm gonna take my son home. I have the van full of shit, or not the van, but the Durango. I have the Honda Civic full of the car parts as well. Yeah, I love it. Still have a bunch of parts here. Yeah. I love it. The short shifter's coming up next. I still need to get this headliner off. We still got a lot of work to do, but my main concern is the cleaningness. I fixed this door as well. I gotta fix this key. I try to put some plastic epoxy on there. It's not working. It held for a little bit, but not so much. I gotta fix that fan. That fan is hitting something. You can hear it. Nice. Sweet. Alright. Yeah, that will do it for today. I'm gonna put this box inside because it's starting to get a little moisty from the fog. Just throw that in there. Yeah, it is coming along. I think I'm gonna throw this short shifter in here too. I don't need that building up any rust or anything. Yep. I could not take off these lug nuts. I'm gonna have to find a freaking tool for that. Tomorrow we go to work, and then the weekend we get back at it. Sweet. That will do it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, and I installed the non-stop tuning shifter. Here it is, with the Merc Racing shift knob and the Acuity shifter bushings. Shit, yeah. Bro, this thing is gonna be such a freaking ripper. Oh, it already feels notchier. I love it. And it still needs Denton springs and the gear selector. It is coming together, man. Alright, just wanted to include that to the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.